Afternoon again, everybody. We're out in the driveway with the new vevor 4500 psi PCP air compressor. We got it hooked up to the UX Notos 22. I've got the nozzle fitting in the fill port there. I went ahead and cocked it and put it on safe. I think we're ready to start filling. We've been running the fan for a couple of minutes. We've got the bleed valve shut. It's time to go ahead and turn the compressor on. And it does wiggle a little bit. I don't know how hard that is going to be to see. It was on 1,000. It's almost to 2. I think this one pumps up to 33, 34. I'm gonna go by the red. It's pretty impressive. I've been really happy with this. We're gonna pump it up and we're gonna shoot it. We're gonna blow some cans up. But I wanted to see how long it takes to get it to at least 3,000. We've gone over 2. I think it took 5 minutes to fill the gauntlet. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and we'll be right back. It's only been a couple of minutes. I barely had it paused and we just passed 3. We just passed 3,000. So I've never had it past 3,000, so this will be kind of a new experience. It's regulated, so shouldn't make that much difference, but we're going to go ahead and take it to the red. So we're almost there. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the compressor. I'm going to go ahead and bleed the valve and pull the plug out. I'm going to rotate the dust cover. I'm going to leave that running for a second. Really didn't. It got up to 39 Celsius, which I believe it can go up to 80. I'm gonna let the fan run for a minute. We're gonna take the gun and bring it over here. I've got some cans set up at 22 yards, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot them with some JSB. Zach Jumbo Diabolo 15.89 grain. Don't you just love that? It works so good. That didn't take 2.5 minutes. And the Notos with the hand pump, it was taking 15-20 minutes because 120-ish pumps, depending on how low it was, take, pump 20 times, stop. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get to blowing some stuff up. Alright, hope this comes out good. Alright, that was a lot of fun. I don't know what it looked like from your end, but it was pretty showy from my end. We got a few cans scattered all around. I think, oh, we got one way over yonder. Yeah, those whipped cream cans, they fly about 20-30 feet. Alright, that's what I got for you with the Notos. Thanks for watching.